We declare this Havana open.
Lekki Avana Bungalows and Resorts is an estate that is introduced from a vision of solving housing deficit in Nigeria.
As the president of the Real Estate Developers of Nigeria, I'm solidly behind Zealous because I know them.
And this property is 100% government compliance. Very close here, we have the international airport.
We prioritize our clients and we ensure that any home we are delivering to our clients, we don't compromise on quality.
I'm so happy because we have lots of our clients who are getting their homes today.
I subscribe to their property in Lekki Avana, and Zealous Homes has been perfect in delivering. Thank you, Zealous.
For keeping to your word, you are a trusted brand.
Zealous property is #1.
Make sure as we're launching Lekki Avana 2, you are purchased. Congratulations to every client. Thank you, thank you, thank you.